wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers, I'm Sinah Sabila from Breaking News, reading the latest news for today. Flood hit Sukabumi City, West Java. The Sukabumi City Disaster Management Agency (BPPD) recorded around 20 locations affected by the flood and 3 landslide points. In several flooded areas, water level varied, with a maximum height reaching 50 cm. BPPD team is still collecting data on the number of houses and families affected by the flood. There have now been no reports of casualties from this natural disaster, but some residents have evacuated to the homes of relatives or neighbors who were not affected. The BPPD team of Sukabumi City urges the public to remain alert as extreme weather is expected to continue for the next few days. To help ease the burden of affected residents, BPPD is also distributing aid in the form of basic necessities and house cleaning supplies. That's all for now. We'll continue to bring you the latest update as more information becomes available. Stay safe and stay tuned for more information.